fams, we are
Emanol 48!
and you're tuned into
Easy Rock!
Three, two, one, go!
Si Andy po.
Ate
Andy
guys.
po.
Promise. No, but we feel like...
Opo, nung ano.
Wala kayo nung
may
nag-ano
event.
ako.
Mahilig
na.
Alam niyo
Mahilig
na.
po yung mga senpai mantrip po eh.
Totoo po yan.
Ganyan.
Lagi po.
And three,
1, 2, 3,
go. Ito.
Po.
Lagi siya nag-story siya ng mga kanta.
Hugot talaga
Ano, may
po.
pinanghuhugutan po yun.
Yeah.
Inspired.
3, 2, 1, go. Ako.
Ikaw
Ayun.
pa rin,
Gusto
ate.
nyo, pag bibiling ko to, bibiling ko.
Oo nga eh.
Pag bibiling mo,
Spoiler.
bibiling ko rin. Pag bibiling mo, bibiling ko rin.
Ganyan.
Ganun si Ate Andy. Alam
Yan
niyo na
si
guys.
Ate Andy.
Yes.
Mahirap samahan pala si Ate Andy.
Ako
Bubudol pala.
Bubudol tayo.
Bubudol pala tayo.
Hindi na po kailangan magbilang.
3, 2, 1, go!
Thirst trap queen.
Igiling pababa na.
Pero,
Eh.
Pababa.
Pababa. Eh.
puro bubudots.
Budots pala budots.
Abong.
3, 2, 1.
Siya po.
Ito, sikat na eh. Famous.
Yes.
Famous.
Ay,
Famous,
opo.
famous.
Sige po.
Famous.
Kaya pala active sa TikTok.
Hi Pams! Feel free to listen to our songs Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie and Oh My Pumpkin, since they are the recent songs that you guys can hear everywhere on the internet. And please do join the PFC Dance Challenge. And if you want to join also the Oh My Pumpkin Dance Challenge.
And don't forget to follow us on the different social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, at Emanol48 Official.
Remember someone today with
Emanol48!
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
links are in the description below.